JPEG is the most common image format. It's the same as .jpg. The extra E is just a legacy difference. They work exactly the same. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view it. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for JPEG files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. The JPEG file format is a widely used method of lossy compression for digital images, particularly for those produced by digital photography. The degree of compression can be adjusted, allowing a trade-off between storage size and image quality. JPEG is commonly used for storing and transmitting photographic images on the web and is supported by virtually all image viewers and editors. Recovery tips often involve specialized software to retrieve corrupted or deleted JPEG files. JPEG compression works by dividing an image into 8x8 blocks of pixels and applying a Discrete Cosine Transform, DCT, to each block. The DCT coefficients are then quantized, discarding high-frequency components that are less visually significant. This quantization step is the primary source of lossiness. Huffman coding is used to further compress the quantized coefficients, resulting in a smaller file size. This JPEG file is designed specifically for the developer tool, Any Image Viewer by Joint Photographic Experts Group. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows provides a lightweight view, while full editing power resides in image software. We'll systematically check the compatibility list. Right-click your JPEG file, then click Open With. Test any image viewer if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This organized testing is vital. If your JPEG file will not open yet, do not panic. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, use Image Viewer. Open the file using any universal image viewer, e.g. Windows Photos Paint GIMP. Next, check codecs. Ensure the necessary image codecs are installed on your system. Finally, convert to PNG JPG. Use an image editor to convert the JPEG file to the standard PNG or JPG format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.